I was fuming, picturing some junior analyst with no regard for boundaries. I staked out the fridge the next day, pretending to refill my water bottle. Around 11:45, a woman I'd seen in the supply closet once, Sarah from marketing, reached for my sandwich. Our eyes met. Her face went from casual to crimson in about half a second. "Oh God, it's you, isn't it?" she mumbled, dropping the sandwich with a thud. I just stood there, speechless, probably looking like an unblinking, judgmental gargoyle. The next week was excruciating. We'd awkwardly pass each other in the hallway, our gazes darting away. Then at the coffee machine, she spilled a latte all over my tie. "Seriously, the universe just wants me to ruin your day, doesn't it?" She laughed, genuinely embarrassed, dabbing at me with a handful of paper napkins.